Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom widgets for your Android home screen. So in here, I've already on my home screen, and as you guys can see here, this is my widgets. And if you want to again customize your own widget, this is what you are going to do. First, I'm going to remove this and show you how I can get that widget. So what you need to do is just long press on your home screen like this until this menu at the bottom show up, and you'll see widgets. So just tap on the widgets option. You can see these are the widgets from the system. There's this cleanup, nano music player, stickers, album highlights, clock, weather, the one that I added before, and also this home kit on my phone. So if you want to add the widgets, you can just click on it or just long press on it. So let's try to add this album highlight. Click on the widgets that you want. Here you can choose the between the options. Let's try to open this ones right here. You can click on add widgets, and this is the album highlight. If you want to change it, you can just click on this. You can add your favorite image from gallery to your favorite album in here. But if you want to add widgets from your favorite or your most frequently visit apps, you can just long press on it again, go to widgets, and here you can scroll down and choose the apps that you want into the widgets. So for example, I'm going to add let's say Pinterest. So you can just click on the apps and here choose which one. So I'm going to use this one to display up to 6 pin. You can click on add widgets. It will load. Okay, so this will be the result. So when you click on it in here, the apps will be open, specifically the pin on the widget itself. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.